Hello everyone, friends, my name is Igor. Today we're trading with Pocket Option. I've traded binary options for over 11 years, and for 7 of those I've used support and resistance levels. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. We'll be trading with 5-minute expiration times. The trade amount is $25. Let's start analyzing the charts. Let's see where we can open trades. Let's find where we have something interesting. So I might open my first trade on the Euro-British pound pair, a trade for a decrease. The price is... Alright, let me adjust the chart a bit so you can see where I found the entry point. The price is currently in the resistance zone. The zone was broken through. The price came back to consolidate at this zone. Most likely there will be a reversal downward. The zone is clearly visible on the chart. You can see there were reversals, prices in this zone. Here we had a small false breakout of this zone. It happened, but overall the price broke through this zone very quickly and then came back. Most likely there was some news, well, just like basically right here, so I don't really take these sections into account. In this case, in a calm market, I expect the price to move downward. Euro Canadian dollar, I will open a trade for a decline. The price is roughly at the local maximum. There are 2 small false breakouts. On higher time frames, this will most likely look like a pin bar. Let's take a look. Hourly chart. I'll turn it on. Yes, that's exactly right. So pay attention, here is our zone where we entered. We have candle wicks above this zone. This indicates that this is not a normal price consolidation, but simply a false breakout. A trade to go short is opened here. Australian dollar, Japanese yen. I'll try to open a short position. I'm not completely sure that this trade will be profitable, but we'll find out soon. We have a resistance zone. Basically, the price is bouncing off it quite well. But let's see. I'm expecting the price to go lower, at least down to this zone. Well, at the very least, it will hold in that direction. But there's also a chance that they'll try to push the price higher now, and it will reach this zone for consolidation and further movement upwards. Of course, this scenario is also being considered. Euro dollar, a trade to go short. We have a resistance zone. You can see that the price is reacting to this zone. There are price reversals. In this case, the price has approached this zone from below and has been moving within this zone for quite a while. A short trade, I'm opening it here. So far, it's not working out, but there's still time, and maybe the price will have time to turn around. Swiss pound and Japanese yen, I'm going to open a short trade, local maximum. Most likely, the price will hit this particular zone now, and it probably won't go any higher than that. Well, if the trade does happen to go higher, then I'll just end up losing a little bit of money, and that's okay. US dollar, Swiss franc, I'm going to open a long trade. Here, the price is most likely at a local minimum. There are some minor false breakouts, but that's not a big deal. Most likely the price will go higher. Well, basically the price has already jumped higher. So far, the forecast is coming true. Canadian dollar, Swiss franc, similar situation. Also a long trade. There is a support zone, which is also the local minimum. There's a minor false breakout, but the reversals from this zone are quite good. Also a long trade. That's it, 7 trades are open, 7 trades in total. So far they've all been in profit. I hope everything will go well here. Let's take a look at the 5-second chart to see how everything is playing out. Euro, British pound, the price has dropped quite a bit, by the way. Euro, Canadian dollar, the price has also dropped quite a bit, but now it's moving back up, so there's some kind of pullback happening, which I really don't need right now. Yeah, the trade is already in the red. Australian dollar, Japanese yen, a confident entry point, the price is doing really well in the green. Euro dollar, the price is slightly in the red. Swiss pound and yen also had a very good entry. Dollar, Swiss franc, so far everything is going well too. And as for the other trades, it's still unclear for now. We'll have to wait a little longer. It's still too early at this point in time to talk in detail about the results. But I do think there's a very good opportunity to make some profit today. But probably not all trades will close in the green, after all. Let's hope for the best, but we'll get what we get. 8 seconds left. On the Euro-British pair, I was about to say the trade would close in profit, but the price just turned around. And now the trade is in the red. How are you even supposed to make sense of that? Honestly, it's unclear what's been happening lately. Well, I hope at least the rest will close out okay. As for the euro dollar, it's still uncertain for now too. The price isn't moving in the direction I need, it's just standing still. But that first trade was really frustrating. Everything was going well right up until the last 5 seconds. Euro, nice. 4 seconds left. Everything seems fine here. The price keeps dropping. That's good, the trade is in profit. Australian dollar yen, 40 seconds left. Looks like everything will be fine here too. Euro dollar, 15 minutes. I need the price to fall. Only in that case, of course, will the trade close in profit. Not just any drop, but the price needs to be in the loss zone at the moment of closing. 5 seconds until the Australian dollar Japanese yen trade closes. Everything's good here, the whole trade. The price was in profit and we ended up with a very good forecast. So for now, the only problem is with the euro dollar, half a minute left. The price is in profit, but it's very close to the entry point. Things can change very quickly here. All the other trades are actually looking pretty good so far. Managed to catch the entry points. Swiss pound yen is in profit. Dollar Swiss franc is in profit. Canadian dollar Swiss franc is also in profit. And let's see how the euro dollar closes. 3 seconds. Yes, this trade closes with a profit. Well, that's probably it, basically. The rest of the trades should close as I predicted. And if that happens, then the first trade was a loss and it closed in a really frustrating way. Basically, you saw everything yourself. So British pound Japanese yen, 10 seconds left. We entered the trade right at the very top. After that, for 5 minutes, the price just kept falling. Another excellent prediction. Dollar Swiss franc, we entered at the very bottom, and the price only went up from there. Everything's good here too. 6 seconds left, it's unlikely anything will change now. But the Canadian dollar Swiss franc is a bit disappointing. Yes, one trade there closed in profit. And in 15 seconds, we'll find out how this trade ends. I didn't expect there would be a drop at the last moment, and this is another trade that could spoil the result. 1 second, it's a return. Well, just unlucky. In the end, we had 7 trades open. 5 trades closed in profit, 1 trade was a return, and 1 trade was a loss. Well, it could have been better, of course. The price is already in profit now, but the trade is closed. Alright, those are today's results. If you're interested in how I find entry points, you'll find everything you need in the description of this video. All the necessary links to educational materials are there. Everything is free for everyone, all open access, no registration required anywhere. Just go in, read, and develop your trading skills. That's all from me, friends. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. There will be lots of interesting videos coming up. Wishing everyone successful trading. Goodbye to all.